Well, great morning, beautiful souls. I come to share something with you guys, and I think this is something that will be very helpful to a lot of you. Now, every day we have things that occur and happen in our life, right? A lot of times we need some sort of reminder, or we need some sort of uplifting or refresher to relieve us from the stress, the anxiety, the worry, the subconscious thinking of negativity. And sometimes you may not have a physical person or something that can do that for you. This is something that I do that helps me so much. So when I wake up in the morning, I light a candle, and this is called my intention candle. And it is just a tea light candle, nothing special, and I have it just on a little tray. And usually whatever room I'm in at that current time, I keep it in that room. So if I'm frustrated or even if I'm really happy, because even being happy is great to also during the happy times give gratitude, because gratitude is what continues the energy of your manifestation and your blessings to continue coming to you. So the more that you're grateful for where you are, what you have currently, that is how you bring upon more of what you want. So I light my candle, and I love fragrances. Anybody that comes to my home, they're always like, oh, this house smells so good. It smells so amazing. It just feels so peaceful in here. Well, these particular incense that I have are something that I found new at a local market, and they're handmade, and they're called the happiness incense. And I also have relaxation. And my daughter, she purchased the third eye chakra, the solar plex chakra, and the crown chakra incense, and they all smell amazing. So if you enjoy something or you like something and it resonates with you to make you feel happy, which is usually temporarily, because what we're trying to do is to create joy, internal joy, because that means that you are completely loving on yourself, and that means that no matter what's going on outside of you, you're always going to have a permanent happiness. You get what I'm saying? So I light my candle, and so every time I look at this candle, it makes me think, I am good. Things can always be worse. There are people dealing with something much worse than I'm dealing with. I am grateful for where I am. I'm thankful for where I am. And I know that the universe is going to do what it is supposed to do to make sure that what is for me, I receive. But I have to believe that, and I have to think on those things. And I also have to keep a positive mindset. It's kind of hard when you've been through so much, when you have so much pressure on you, and you may be the end all be all for so many in your family. It's like, if you don't make a move, if you don't get up and make it happen, nothing's going to happen. So me being in that situation, I can understand that. So light a candle. Get you a bag of these tea light candles from Walmart. That's the best place to get them. You get about 250 for like $3, and they last for hours, guys. So set your intention. So when you light that candle, speak to God, pray, and say, this candle is going to be my reminder of how I can remember to be grateful daily. So sometimes you might have to light a couple a day. When one get ready to go out, light another one, because you can look around the room and be doing whatever you're doing, and once you see that candle, it should be like a snap of the finger. Get back into it, guy. Get back into it, girl. Remember, you're great. It could be worse. God got you. You go through things for a reason. And I know it's sometimes because of our choices, but sometimes our choices are meant to teach us things, and we have to know that. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Mine is lighting a candle. It's called my intention candle. My intention is to always be grateful throughout the day. Always think on great things. Always remember that things could be worse, and always remember that there's someone that wished that they were in your position, the same position that you probably are not being grateful for. There are people wishing to be in that position. So be grateful, because it can always be worse. And remember, you are the most important person in your life, and to stick to your script, because you are the best at it. And if you didn't exist, nothing else would exist. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later, Gators.